kids, I welcome you all. Today in this video I will show you how to use articles, that is a and the. Kids, life is made up of good and bad moments. It is made up of highs and the lowest of lows. So kids, always remember that every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. So kids, let's get back to our topic. Articles a and the. We have 26 letters in the alphabet. 5 of them are vowels A, E, I, O and U. The rest of the 21 letters are called consonant. Kids, I hope you have watched the last video. In the last video, I had taught you about the alphabet family. There are 26 members in the alphabet family. From them, 5 are vowels and the rest are consonant. Kids, points to remember. We use a and for singular nouns. For example, a girl, a boy, an apple, an egg. Kids, always remember that we use a and an for the singular noun. It means for one person, place, animal or thing. Always focus on the sounds of the words. For example, a university. Kids, you know the sounds of the vowels A, E, I, O, U. In the last video, I had taught you about this also. So kids, don't focus only on the letters. Focus on the sounds also. Consonants. You know that from alphabet family there are 21 consonants. We use a before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sound. He is a boy. Kids, boy start with B and B is consonant. So we will use before boy a. I have a football. Kids, football, f. Football sounds start from f. So we will use a. Vowels. Kids, you know very well there are 5 vowels that are A, E, I, O, U. An is used before a singular noun that begins with a vowel sound. Yes kids, if the word start with a vowel sound, we will use a and an. I have an umbrella. Kids, umbrella. It starts from a. A is a vowel sound, so we will use a and an. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now kids, apple, a. It starts with a sound, so we will use a and an. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now kids, where we will use the. Number 1, special objects. The sun, the moon, the earth, the universe. Kids, the unique things that are only one in the world. The sun, the moon, the earth and the universe. Before names of rivers and ocean, we will use the before the names of rivers and ocean. Let's see example. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Indian Ocean. Number 3. Before names of holy books that are religious books. For example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. So we will use the before the names of holy books. Number 4. Before names of special things. For example, the Hindustan Times, the Hindu. Kids, in the picture you can see that there is newspaper. but the name of the newspaper is given. So we will use the before the name of the newspaper. So on the number 1, special objects. Number 2, before names of rivers and oceans. Number 3, before names of holy books. Number 4, before names of special things. Now on number 5, before names of monuments. Kids, monuments means the ancient building that are very special, that has history. For example, the Qutub Minar, the Gateway of India. Qutub Minar and Gateway of India is a name of monument. So we will use the before names of monuments. Let's see one example. The Earth is a unique planet, kids. In the universe, from the 9 planets, the Earth is one planet where we live. So we will use the before the Earth. Thank you, kids. Bye. Take care. Enjoy your day.